we travel with a low budget.
Okay.
Our main expense is fuel, and we have our own kitchen, our
Cross
own.
the Deosai Park and then come to Skardu and then go to Kaplu.
Have you visited any other places except Baltistan or Gilgit-Baltistan, like Islamabad, Karachi, Sindh?
This time we just crossed from Iran to Quetta. Through the
Give a message for other international or local tourists to come to Baltistan, or your.
I think because it's very nice places to stay, to come. The proto culture is not like in Islamabad or Rawalpindi, Quetta. There is this is a modern cities. Here is wonderful because the villages are very old. Yeah, people live in with old culture, with old habitats. So I think this is a most wonderful here, and of course mountains.
Yeah. So which places till now you have visited?
We cross the Deosai Park and then come to Skardu and then go to Kaplu and Hushe, and now we come back to Shigar, and from Shigar we go to just come here. We just visit Skardu once again, and we saw the Buddha rock. Yeah. And now we come here.
So which is your next destination?
Next we go to Gilgit and then Karakorum highway to China border, and then come back to Gilgit and go just west to Chitral.
Okay. How many days you have been here in Pakistan?
In Pakistan total I think will be 1 month.
Okay.
And then we go to India.
Have you visited any other places except Baltistan or Gilgit-Baltistan, like Islamabad, Karachi, Sindh?
This time we just crossed from Iran to Quetta through the Balochistan, and from Quetta through the Job, this is a small city, and to Islamabad, and from Islamabad to Chilas, I don't remember, and then to Deosai Park.
Okay. So which place you like the most?
It's difficult. I've been here 20 years ago, 15 years ago, so it's here in Baltistan I'm first time. So I think this is a wonderful place because of course it's the nature. Yeah? So for me, here in North Pakistan is the best because the big cities, for example, Multan, Karachi, Quetta, etc. This is for me is not nice place to live, yeah? Because it's too noisy, too overpopulated. So it's better here, nature.
So it's your first time in Baltistan, but many
time.
times you visited Pakistan.
Yeah, we've been 20 years ago and 15 years ago. 15 years ago I've been on motorbike. Yeah? We went to India.
Okay. So do you want to give a message for other international or local tourists to come to Baltistan, or your?
I think because it's very nice places to stay, to come here. But you know, this is this time big tourist. I don't know how to explain. Big tourist machine starting. Yeah, so many people from big cities from Pakistan come here as a tourist. I think 10 years ago it's not was like this, but it started big tourists. So many tourists come here and visit this place. So some places are very crowded.
Oh.
For example, Shigar Fort, we've been today. Shigar Fort is a crowded place because many tourists from, I don't know, Islamabad.
Yeah, it's very famous.
Yeah, so many tourists come, so it's crowded. Yeah. The same in Deosai Park. This is a very horrible road, but we go maybe 10 kilometers per hour. But there's many cars, not all four-wheel drive cars. So I don't know. I don't understand. People have limousine and go from Islamabad to Deosai Park. This is not road for limousine. This is for four-wheel drive car. so they demolished their cars.
So what about Shangri-La? You have visited or not?
Shangri-La?
Yeah.
No.
The lake? No,
No,
not yet.
no.
Oh, you are going to miss a very beautiful place. It's just 10 kilometers from
Okay,
here.
So to go the other way.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's exactly. Come here to find peace, just peace, huh?
Yes, yes.
Silence.
Peace,
Nature,
Silence.
nature, villages, small villages. It's nice to. When we went to Hushe, they start to collect the fruits, apricots, and they cut the. Jak jest zboże?
The weeds, I think.
Weeds.
The harvesting.
So
started.
every people work on the terraces, small fields.
Yes.
It was nice. It was nice to see that. Yeah? It's better. I think it's better than this lake because it's true. It's true.
Authentic.
It's authentic. It's not built for tourists. It's a real life. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I think it's for me. It's better. Of course, people are different. Some people like go to Shangri-La Lake. Some people want to go to Hushe. It's a different. Yeah.
So thank you. जी नाजरीन, ये सयाह जिनके पास अपनी गाड़ी है, तो ये लोग अपनी गाड़ी में ही यहाँ पर सोते हैं और हर जगह ये लोग अपनी गाड़ी साथ लेके जाते हैं। जी हम आपको दिखा सकते हैं, अगर मेरे कैमरा में दिखा सके आपको, कि यहाँ पर एक कपल है जो कि पोलैंड से है, और आप मेरे कैमरे में आपको दिखा सकते हैं। आप अंदर देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर आप बेड लगा हुआ है और यहाँ पर एक लिविंग रूम है और बिल्कुल सेफ।
Yes, this is our bed. Also, we have a shower inside. We have our kitchen here outside, so we can cook. We have heating. We have air conditioning. So it's like our home.
Our home, we stay here inside for half a year.
So it's good because many places you didn't find resorts and rooms. It's difficult.
And it's we travel with a low budget.
Okay.
Our main expense is fuel, and we have our own kitchen, our own sleep.
मज़ीद अपडेट्स के लिए GB True News HT यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि हमारी सारी वीडियोस आप लोगों को बर वक्त मिल सके।